Hello everyone, welcome back to Classroom to Boardroom series. Today we will talk about how to communicate effectively in a job interview. So let's get started. Getting an interview is an exciting and important step in getting hired. Know that the interview will be focused on a conversation aimed at discovering more about your personality, skills, and qualifications. Communicating well during your interview is a critical part of the process and will allow you to best represent yourself and in turn get hired. Let's see how we can do this. 1. Just be yourself. Don't be afraid. Showing some of your personality can be of a great idea during the interview. It will help the interviewer to learn more about you as a person and will allow you to speak enthusiastically about your professional interest and skills. Maintain professional speech whenever you're talking about anything personal. 2. Relate personal details to the requirements of the job. When you discuss any personal topics, you can relate them to skills that are relevant to the position you are interviewing for. This will allow you to express both your personality and illustrate your skills and experience. For instance, you could talk about how you learned a new language and illustrate that you can learn new skills and techniques. Or talk about how you went about organizing an event. This way, you can exemplify your leadership skills. 3. Act, speak, and dress professionally. During the interview, it will be important that you act, speak, and dress professionally. By presenting yourself as a competent and serious applicant, you will be more likely to make a good first impression. Wearing clothes appropriate to the position that you're interviewing for is mandatory for a successful interview. Avoid using any filler words like or ha. 4. Be aware of your body language. Pay careful attention to your nonverbal communications to make a great impression during your interview. Appear confident and calm. Avoid yawning or looking distracted. Make eye contact and smile occasionally to show a positive attitude. 5. Listen carefully. Paying careful attention will help you answer questions accurately and directly. Taking in details of the conversation can also help you think of any questions you might have for the interviewer. Avoid thinking about your response as the interviewer is speaking. Wait until they are done speaking before thinking about your reply. Listening carefully will let you hear details that may have been missed otherwise. I am sure you have found this useful. This is Ashwini Dasgupta, your personality development NLP expert, signing off. Until I see you next, be you, be confident. Thank you.